Global average air and sea temperatures soared over the weekend, reaching record highs. The extreme temperatures can be seen in this graph from the U.S.'s Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It tracks air temperature averages over the past 5 decades. The orange line is last year's, and the red shows the current spike in temperatures. Scientists say that this, together with the above-average ocean temperatures, is likely to disrupt weather systems. They are also warning that 2024 could be the Earth's hottest year on record. To find out more, reporter Sally Jensen spoke to Leon Simons, a climate researcher at the Club of Rome.
So over the weekend, global air and sea surface temperatures deviated massively from the average for this time of year. Can you tell us why this is so shocking?
So there's a few things happening at the same time. The oceans, the surface temperatures of the oceans have never been higher for this date ever before. The atmosphere has never been higher for this date ever before. And the global sea ice the global sea ice extent has never been lower than this date before. But now you have global records all being broken at the same time. So that's quite extraordinary. I'm not aware of that happening ever before.
Does this data have anything to do with climate change? And are we seeing a trend here?
There's a trend of rapid warming. We've seen, for example, between 1960 and 2000, there was a certain rate of warming, and now the rate of warming has quadrupled. So it's warming 4 times as fast now as it was between 1960 and 2000. Most people, of course, when they think about global warming, they think about the Earth getting warmer a few degrees, and that's where we live. But I think about it as a lot of additional energy going in the system, and most of that energy goes into the oceans.
And what does this unprecedented jump off the charts mean for humanity and life on the planet?
So what we can expect is that there will be a lot of more extreme weather, likely faster sea level rise, because if there's more energy in the system, ice will start melting faster, and possibly stronger storms. Yes, it of course changes. Weather changes, extreme weather is affecting people, and it's important, of course, that we are aware of this so we can prepare for the risks.
Who, if anyone, is to blame, and what needs to be done?
We all emit greenhouse gases. Everyone emits greenhouse gases, and of course, there's people who make a lot of money by selling fossil fuels, and who have a lot of reason to make sure that we keep buying their products, which we burn, and then we come back and buy more. We have to look at the system and what advantages we have, and what problems the system has, and how we can solve these problems. In any way possible, we have to try and make sure that the rate of warming reduces.
But what can ordinary people do?
So I think if you want to do something, I think the first step is to really think in how can you have impact at scale, because you can recycle and that sort of thing, but that's not the scale of the problem we have at hand. So I think people can have a very big impact, but that's for everyone self to realize, because everyone is an individual.